Motorcycles might seem complicated at first, but don't worry. In this video, we will give you a basic overview of the parts of a motorcycle so you know what everything is and what everything does. Now, let's start with the frame. It's the backbone of the bike and supports all of the other components. Some motorcycles have plastic bodywork that we call fairings that help with aerodynamics and wind protection, whereas other bikes, like this cruiser here, keep things more exposed. The engine is the heart of the motorcycle and sits within the frame with exhaust pipes extending toward the back of the bike. Now, motorcycles have engines with a bunch of different configurations. It could be a single cylinder, a twin, or even an inline four. And the type of engine that the motorcycle has affects how it sounds and how it feels. Now, like cars, motorcycles roll on wheels, but bikes only have two of them. The rear wheel pushes the motorcycle down the road and gets power from the engine. The front wheel pivots so that the bike can steer. Both wheels are supported by the motorcycle's suspension, which helps absorb bumps for a comfortable ride. The front suspension is contained within the fork, and the rear suspension, which usually consists of one or two shocks, connect the swing arm to the frame. Up here, you've got the handlebar, which you hold onto to steer and control the motorcycle. On the right side of the handlebar is the throttle. This controls how fast the motorcycle goes. You twist it back to go faster. In front of that is the front brake lever, and you've also got switches to start and stop the engine. On the left side of the handlebar, there's the clutch lever, which is important for getting the motorcycle moving and coming to a stop, as well as shifting gears. There's also switches for the headlight, the horn, and the turn signals. On top of the handlebar is the gauge cluster, which provides information such as your speed, your fuel level, and your gear position. There are also indicator lights for things like being in neutral or having your turn signals on. On that topic, all motorcycles have turn signals at the front and the back. In the back, you've also got a tail light and a brake light, and at the front, you've got a headlight. Behind the dash and the handlebar is the gas tank, and beyond that, the seat for sitting in, and then foot pegs for supporting your feet. And you also have controls that you operate with your feet. There is a rear brake lever on the right and a shift lever on the left. So there you have it. Those are the basic parts of a motorcycle. And now that you're familiar, you're one step closer to getting out there on your first ride. So come ride with us. Click the link below to learn how easy it is to start riding a motorcycle. We've got all the information and support you need to get started in motorcycling today.